up, guys? Evergreen Fly Guy here, down in the garage. I'm about to do a video for you guys, but I was down here doing a little work on the rods from my last attempt out trying for some bass this year, and it has not gone well. I have a bird's nest in this one. Is this considered a bird's nest? I don't know, but I had this guy blow up on me. And then this happened right off the bat. Yeah, that's the googan zinger right there. I went to cast, got a whiplash, and it's all through it. So by the end of the day, I was basically just using this huge, massive swim bait. Well, actually, it's not that big, but it actually worked out because that looked really good in the water. But let me show you what we're getting into. Alright guys, I went to Dick's and started looking around and stuff, and we found stuff. Let's see. Ah! Chill out. Scam, I got one of those, the Ketchco bubonic bugs. I got that one in the blue and black, because blue and black's always cool. And only other thing in here, one of the Googan mystery box tackle elites. Like I said, I haven't actually been a part of their subscribing, like, monthly box thing in a while. But I did see this while I was at Dick's. And I thought this would be cool to do an unboxing of. And this is 9 to 11 baits. Wait, there could be 9 or 11? That's... Alright. It says it's a $60. This is box 84 for anybody who cares. Let's just get straight into it. How is this sealed together? Okay. This looks tough. I brought scissors though. I think it might just... Oh, no, I ripped the box. Oh, jeez. Okay, hold on. Let's try it with this hand. Ah. There we go. Success. Yeah, okay. This is really how it opens, just from the side? I was hoping it'd be more grand. Oh well. Pop that. Oh, so it's a box within a box. Nice. Oh, this is just the shell. God, will you be quiet, Crazy Glue? Okay, and then it's just a regular box. Okay. Okay, that's tight. Oh. Ooh, unfold special. Oh, cool. It gives you a little, Oh, there's a contest. Okay. Catch one, measure it. Oh, that's interesting. That's a pretty good sized fish. What's inside? Oh, I don't know what I'm going to ruin this surprise. Let's not look at that. Missile baits. We got some crawfather, black and red flake, crawfish. Okay, well, I have a lot of that type stuff. What is this? Weston hippo twist, hypo twist. I'm gonna go with that. We'll call that right. So this is a floating bait of some sort. 4.5 inches long, 5/8. Oh, what would you say if we said we'd give it a little hypo twist? Yeah, this looks interesting. Okay, next. My favorite brand to try to pronounce. Zura, you know, whatever. A jerkbait. This is crystal minnow. It's not a bad color, not a bad color. This is also floating, but it's a jerkbait, you know what it does. Another one. Tournament grade. Fancy Strike Pro. And this is in a color I can't pronounce. So, moving on. Big Bites Bait Co. Wow. Jeez, you can buy this stuff for like $1. Those look like baby brush hogs. Or mid-sized brush hogs. I don't know. It gives 0 information right here. Yep. It's fortified with bite juice though, so that's what's important. Continuing on. 2 offset, or 3, ooh, yes, 3 offset hooks. Cool. I'll go through that later. I already see some Googan Squad in there, but we'll just stick right over here for a minute. Bruiser Baits, Crazy Craw, Deep Okie. Okay. Well, that's a black and blue flake craw. I mean, you really can't go wrong with that. It's just a decent trailer for a anything that you have that is black and blue. Oh, that one's stuck in there. So we're going to do the googan one first. It's a zinger spinner, which is actually kind of cool because I was looking at this color. So hey, look, I got it now. Cool. Just the sexy shad color, 3/8. Works out. Get out of there. And bam, a trailer for it. 3/8 Pro Swimmer, another Big Bites. It's their swimming tail, swim bait tail, whatever you call it. And ooh, a sticker. I do like stickers. Catch Co. That can go on the yak. Well, that has been it, guys. That was, I don't know, I didn't count how many baits. I'm guessing it fits somewhere between 9 and 11. It's first box that I've ever opened by them, and well, not ever opened, but I have opened by them in a very long time. And I don't know. I mean, it is what it is. It's not bad. You know, this is just some stuff I don't have because, you know, I'm basically restarting. I do have offset hooks, not gonna lie. And this is kind of unique. I'm not really sure where to throw it, but we'll try it out. You know, it's no big deal. But it was fun. It's like a little surprise. You get like a little swag with it, with like their stickers and stuff. It's probably one of the better boxes out there. I've heard there's a few. I think I also tried out Lucky Box or whatever it's called. I don't know. It's something Luck, I think. I don't know. Didn't like it. Mystery Tackle Box was better. But I don't do monthly subscription services anymore. I just thought it dicks and thought it'd be cool to open since I know a lot of people like the Mystery Tackle Box and the googan stuff, so just thought of an opportunity. But thanks for watching. Go like, subscribe. I'm going to go back to trying to fix these rods. And you guys go catch some fish.